Doma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2016 Honda Fit. So right now, I'm installing the rear camera, and this is the camera brand right here. This is the one on Amazon. Here is the camera with the wire, and then they got extra wire for you to wire it all the way to the back of the trunk. And then this one is for your radio, where you plug in the back of your radio. And they have the license plate mount, where you're gonna mount the camera on it. Now the tool I'm using is the 90-degree pick, the hook, the small flathead. I taped a little piece of tape on the tip, and then the Phillips screwdriver right here. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna pop out the cluster cover right here. You're gonna shove in your flathead or your plastic trim removal tool. Just pop it off from the bottom here. They're all held by clip. Once you pop it off, it comes off like this. Now it gets to this part, it gets really tricky. The whole piece comes out like this. Now I try to do it with the flathead to shove it in the back and pop it out. It's kind of hard, but I use my 90-degree hook right here. I put it in here and I pull it, I yank it out to get it to popped out, and it popped out the whole piece like this, just like that. Now for the radio, there's a few bolts holding on to it. There's one here, one right here. I believe you gotta remove the bottom cover here for your outlet and stuff. There's a Phillips screw right here. Now let me show you real quick. I'm gonna turn on the car and I'm gonna put in the reverse. There's no camera right now. This one is not OEM, it's aftermarket. It might be a little bit different than installing it with the aftermarket rear camera. So this is aftermarket. You can see I'm gonna put in reverse. I'm in reverse right now, so there's no cam at all. Try it again. Just showing you guys there's no camera at all. So the aftermarket one is gonna be a little bit different than installing into the aftermarket radio. Once you get to this piece right here, I put in my 90-degree hook and I popped it out right here. You guys can see it's held on by clips, all clips. I'm just gonna leave this to the side. And for the OEM radio, I think there's two brackets mounting on the side. Just want to make sure there's another bolt. I'm not sure if there's another bolt that's holding on to the bottom right there, because they're still stuck a little bit, but I'm gonna check it out real quick. This is for your cigarette lighter, and then the box, the charger. Let me show you the bolt that's holding on right there. You can see, let me zoom in. You can see, let me focus it. There's a screw right here. Let me get my finger in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here, right there, where my finger is. You can see the screw right there is bolted up like that. So you're gonna use your short Phillips to get in there and unscrew this bolt right here. Here is where the bolt screwed into. Be really careful. Try not to drop it, and I dropped it. So it's a really tight spot, so just be really careful. I might have to use another bolt to screw it. So since I took out the two top bolt and the bottom bolt, you can see this one's aftermarket, so it's gonna be a little bit different, but I hope they labeled it. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, they labeled it VO out, some of this. So it's gonna take me a little bit of time to figure it out, which one to wire to. Good thing I found the screw that it dropped down. Use my magnet, get it out. There you go. Now I'm gonna come back to this. So right now I'm gonna limit some of the stuff out. So this is the procedure for you to connect the rear camera. So right now I'm gonna do the reverse lamp, this wire right here, to the camera. So this one's gonna be ground. The red one is gonna be in the positive of the reverse lamp. This one's ground. Black is ground, red is positive. So right now I have the key on reverse. So right now I want to show you, so for you to check. So I took out the rear light. So this is the reverse. You can see the reverse is on. For you to check to see which one is power and ground, I use my voltmeter right here, and then I'm gonna put my ground right here. I'll put my ground where the hood locked into. Just kind of, there you go. And then my positive lead, my voltmeter, I have it on volt right here. So one of them is going to be ground, one of them is going to be 12 volt. So usually the black one always ground. So right now I have my test pin back probe into the brown wire, and when I touch it, you're going to see the voltmeter says 12 volt right there. My ground is not good. I gotta touch the ground. There you go. You see, there you go. It says 12 volt. I gotta push it down a little bit deeper to get the pin to touch the connector. So it says 12 volt right there. That's power. Now the wire I'm hooking up is the one connected to the rear camera right here. The one that plugs into it. You can see the positive. And then this one will go to the one with the cable on the radio. And then this one, since you can mount it on a bolt where there's metal frame, you can ground it to the body. And then this one is the positive. But since I have both wire here, I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna T-tab it, one to ground, one to positive. So this one's to positive, this one's to ground. I'm gonna T-tab it using this right here. So I'm gonna cut it and then crimp it down, and then I'm gonna clamp it to the wire here. Now before you start crimping it to the wire, make sure you guys turn off the car, put it back in park, and turn it off. So I cut out the ground right here. I cut out the ground, and then I T-tabbed it. So I put the black wire to ground, black to black, red to the positive right here. This is the positive. And make sure you guys crimp it down good. Crimp it down like your life depends on it. So crimp it down, attach it, and then run it to the camera. The camera only have one plug, and you can see you follow the direction with the arrow because it has a notch right here. The arrow will line up with the arrow, and I'm gonna push it in, and okay, this part is good. Now for this yellow part, it's gonna connect to the radio. Right now I'm just testing the camera, make sure I run all the wire correctly before I mount it on the license plate, and I'm just checking everything, make sure everything works, and then I can mount the camera. So right now I put the plug, the one that goes all the way to the radio. Now I plug this in. This red wire, sometime you might not need it, so I'm just gonna leave it. I just want to check everything, wire up everything first. So right now I have everything hooked up. I'm gonna show you guys. So right now I'm gonna put in reverse, and you're gonna see the camera. There you go. I'm in reverse. Car's in reverse right there. So right now I have the key on, just checking the camera. It's working. And then so how I wired it up is that earlier I told you guys might not need this wire, but it does need this wire. So I'm gonna show you right here from the deck right here. You're gonna hook this red wire to the trigger wire. They labeled it, and then this one to the power of the reverse lamp also. Now on the back of your deck, they labeled it. It says reverse gear signal right there. So I T-tapped it to the purple wire. Majority of the aftermarket radio, it has the same color, the purple one or the pink one, those two. And I plugged this one into the RC in, which is you call it reverse camera or reverse channel, something like that. It says RC in right there at the bottom. It's kind of hard to see, but it says RC in. So I plugged it into that one. And then for the back, let me show you the back. The back, I did the same thing. Now I had to mess with the wire a little bit. Check it out. Now you can see this little tail. I plugged it to the positive of the reverse, so that way it triggers it. You get the power from the reverse, and then same thing, everything power to power. This one's the little tail, power to power. This one's a ground. There you go. Now I'm just gonna tuck the wire, hide the wire, and then I'm gonna mount the camera into the license plate. It also have the license plate bracket to mount the camera in. Now I'm putting everything back. Look at my hand, it's all scratches. I have to get in really tight spot. Hurts my hand like hell. But that's it. I got everything hooked up. I went under, or keep tucking the wire all the way to here under the cover, and then do it all the way to the back. If you guys put in your camera and your camera is still black, I believe this is my setting. So this is all my setting right there for camera and everything. Video, everything is on auto. You can see everything is on auto. Show you guys camera setting. There you go, that's my camera right there. That's the setting, everything. Sometime when you put everything in, you put all the wire correctly, mount it correctly and everything, and the screen is still black. For some vehicle, I believe you have to go to camera. I'm gonna go to camera, and then you're gonna put, yours is gonna be either say on or off. If it's on, something, it's kind of confusing. I don't really get it, but if it's on or off, it will have a black screen, so you're gonna have to mess with this. You see how it says camera 1, camera 2. I don't have 2 camera, just the backup camera. When you put in reverse, it'll stay black, but for some car it'll say still black. If you wire everything right and it's still black, you have to mess with the camera view, like the one I showed you, camera view. It's either on or off. You gotta switch it on and off, and then you can see it when you put on reverse. But that is it to this video, guys. It was one heck of a installation. It hurts my hand like hell. But that is it to this video. I'm just gonna put everything back. Everything just gonna be pushed back in. It's all held by clips, and the cover right here for the power outlet. But that is it to this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. Doma, I'm out. Peace.